guys, we're back to the 97 S10. As you can see, I got the chain off, the gasket for the timing cover, and I want to replace the seal as well. So that's the chain, and I want to replace the whole key with the sprocket. I had to use a pulley to get this one out, but when I was taking this one, the tensioner, you can see it just cracked. It was already, for a long time, and it just cracked when I was pulling it out. So let's take a look at the engine, and so we can get ready for installing the other one. See, so we have well, it even looks better here, I think. So I just positioned the new one for right now, as you can see. So I just need to torque the bolts and clean the crankshaft, and then start putting the gears so we can torque everything down. Alright, let's get it ready so we can do that. Alright, let's torque this down. The tension. Let's see if I can see if that's the right size. I think so. Let's see. Alright. This thing move, but I think you guys saw the torque. Alright. We got it in place. As you can see, we have our marks line up. So everything looks good. Now let's put the bolt there. Alright. So let's see, this is the bolt. I'm just gonna go here so we can torque it down in place. And then we can be ready to go. Let's see. Alright, let's torque it down. Alright. Ball is torqued and ready to go. So I just laid the gasket there. And then let's put some oil to the chain. Let's see if I can pour some. So when we turn it on, so it's not completely dry. So I want to have to clean the bottle because I want to put some RTV for the chain cover. So while we clean that, we should be good to go. So we can have some oil to first start up. Alright, let's put some RTV so we can go the way around. So okay, it should be good enough. Then we set the cover gasket on the top. Alright, new gasket in place, and then new seal as well. So RTV ready. Let's try to line this thing up, see if we can get it in place. I'm gonna have to go on the bottom to line these things up. So let me get on the bottom, might be easier to see it. Alright, a little fiddle and fighting, and so I made it go inside because of the bolts on the bottom. That's a little fun to get it in there, but It's in place, so now let's dry the bolts, and then we can torque them down. Just make sure the gasket is in place. Check all around here. We're gonna put another small bit in the front of the cover of RTV, so we make sure it's not gonna leak. So let me drive this in, and then we torque them down. All right, let's torque this down. Let's see. I had them hand tie already, but we make sure they're all torque. All right. Oh, come on. All right. Two more. And let's not forget the ones in the bottom. All right, we're gonna press this on. Just clean it. Get a little bit of oil so it can go in there like it's supposed to. So I'll have to press it down. So I'll get something to press it down, and then we can keep going. So we can just put everything back together like it was, and then we fire up and see we took care of the noise that was coming from there.